Hi, today special video, first time ever, viewer mail. Well, maybe it is not exactly totally the first time, because one day I received this multimeter from Amazon without ordering it. So maybe it was some kind of a viewer mail, but this time it is a real deal, thanks to Edwin Burton. We have in here, supposedly, quite a few, actually, new all-stock aircraft grade connectors, and also a few relays. So I am really happy of it and impatient to see what we have. It was totally free, I did not even pay for the shipping, so many thanks for this. We start with a whole bunch of, what is this? Anti-static bags. Really a lot of them. So it is good because I always need bags. Okay, but it is not the main thing. Ah, more bags. No, actually they are not empty bags. This one we have diodes, semiconductor device 1N for 149. Not sure of how many diodes we have in here, but quite a wasteful way to ship diodes to customers, by the way. If you spend one plastic bag for each diode. Look at this, quite insane. And I am checking again if we have anything in this. No, they are just empty anti-static bags. But always useful anyways. So we start with the good stuff. This was not in the photos he sent me, also apparently resistors, fixed wire wound, 1 each, with NSN number, so NATO stock number. So it is military grade parts, obviously. They are all sealed. Is there one not sealed? This one maybe. No, they are all sealed with packets. So which one? I have to open one of them to check what it is exactly. Maybe it is easy open, maybe not. So let's see. Wow. Okay. Little power resistor in aluminium like this. It is even more wrapped one more time in bubble wrap. Quite interesting. So you could have all these resistors in a little tray or something like this. But you see the quantity of fitting materials the manufacturer do. And more power resistors. This one are proper packaging, effective packaging at least. 47 ohms, 1%. Quite some weight in them actually. More power resistors. I have no shortage of power resistors, by the way. More of them. And then we get into the main stuff. aircraft grade connectors. A number of them, so I believe here we have 4 identical ones. As you can see, they come completely new, all stock, with the caps, which is actually my main area of interest because I always need caps, the pins, and the special insertion extraction tool, which is very good because you cannot do anything if you do not have the tool. So maybe I will play with some of it and try to see how it works exactly. But you can see here 4 of them completely new on stock from the Dutch company, famous brand in connectors. Whoops, everything is collapsing inside the box here. More connectors, smaller model here, with the pins also, which can be useful to have the pins. And here, look at this. It is a 10-way round, so it must be this kind of connector. We have a secure price tag here. You cannot see the price until you remove the top here, and it was 30 British pounds. So for some reason they want to hide the price to people handling these devices. Maybe because some of them can be extremely expensive. So here it is for this. We have apparently 4 of this kind. Then one other model of connector, big one here, 26 or 35 contacts apparently, completely new in the wrapping bag. Well, this one has been opened, it seems. No. So we see better here anyways. New pins in little containers and the connector body and the tool each time. Really interesting. Here it seems they did use double bag to wrap it, spend even more plastic. We continue with connectors. Smaller kind here it seems. No, 10 contacts again, yes, it seems. From 1995. We have also a secure price thing. It is the same, 30 British pounds. Actually it is written here, and it is possible to read it. I do not get what is the point of doing so. This one is a Ziploc bag, so I can open. Here is what it looks like. Empty connector body, of course. And your pins. So really nice stuff. If you count 30 British pounds at least for each one, it makes already quite a huge amount of money. So I try to dig in this box. This is for the last. More 10-way round military plug with the caps, of course. Here, this is something different and quite interesting actually. Big female or inverse cap, in fact, because this is usually the connector body, the base connector body, not the plug, the socket exactly. But here it is a reverse one with a seal, little security chain, and I have a whole bunch of them. This is just crazy, guys. Look at all this stuff. New old stuff. So, if I need one of them, I will be happy to have it, at least. Oops. Here. Wow. This is serious stuff. Super big connector pins. Look at this. Quite amazing. And I have 4 of them, it seems. Quite a nice information here. It is from Westland Helicopters. 2004 this part, so quite modern-ish part. You see the original packaging also, and a really nice connector here. I believe you will need quite, if you do not solder these pins, you have to use a quite special tool to trim the wire on it. We continue with, wow, this one is super beautiful. A number of them also. Still the Dutch company. Look at this, how it is made. Super quality, really. Just amazing. And you have all your little pins with also blank pins you can use, dummy pins, to block the hole, and it is a protection against connecting the wrong way, the plug where it does not go. Okay, where we have the tool here. I have no idea of how it works. I will need to experiment. Yes, obviously you have to use it some way to help you insert and remove the pins. It is written here extractor, so this one must be for inserting, or maybe you do not need a tool to insert. So we need to investigate this. Still from the Dutch engineered connecting devices in California. Cage code and maybe a NATO code here. We have more, of course. These ones still 30 British pounds each, still 10 away. It is not on because we have more caps here. They are, these caps, 36 British pounds each, back in the time at least. So, very nice items and a huge number of them. I do not even count. And they are called dust cap. Okay. Maybe it is to put at the end of the connectors themselves. In fact, yes, it should be it to protect the connectors and not the socket. We have some loose ones here. And it is not on if I have any space remaining on my bench, because we have also this, 8 red boxes, handled with care, Diamond Control Limited, Relay Division, Vulcan Rod, quite a name, handled with care, and it is written here military and aerospace high performance relays. Here is the information, and here is the best golden contacts, very heavy little brick, quite impressive. I have 8 of them. Okay, and the last item, I believe, yes, will be, whoops, is this. Comes with all the necessary hardware, it seems. Some paper towel at the bottom of the box. And quite some weight in this device. A Little International relay. It is really something. Wow. I wonder if it can be taken apart. No, it seems it is sealed. Yes, we have ceramic insulators. More insulators here. Really an impressive construction, at least. Not any random relay, this one. 28 volts. Ah yes, 50 and 60 amps. It is why it is so big. Really a nice device also, but everything in the parcel is nice anyways. So really many thanks to you for sending all this stuff which I will need to organize. Usually I inventory each of my things with an inventory number, but maybe for this I will at least inventory by lots of similar pieces and probably play with it, most probably even. So really a lot of stuff, and it was completely free, which is the most interesting thing. So what I would love is to have Russian viewers sending me weird stuff. I can even refund for shipping after I receive a parcel if you want, but some Russian military items as gyroscopes, aircraft instruments, infrared seekers, you see the kind of items I want, accelerometers. I would love to any kind of weird unusual Soviet electronics, military grade, so things like this. If some Russian viewers can send them some to me, it should be really nice. And if you have, by the way, stuff of this grade you want to get rid of, you can always get in contact with me. So really impressive, guys. All of these parts, really, it was quite a thing. So, and do not forget the anti-static bags. thanks again to you, Edwin Burton, and thanks for watching. Bye bye.